This is our 2023 open house. Beautiful sunny day in North Van. We've got over 4,500 people here, which is just amazing. I think it's a little bit of a wow factor, right? I mean, we have a lot of stuff to do. We've got photo ops at the front of the ship. We got a little bouncy castle for the kids, and the kids are loving it. We have automated welding with virtual welding. Each of the trades did a setup for what they do every day so the kids could see that and their family could see it. So it was spectacular. It's been 4 years since we've had an open house here at the shipyard. We've probably grown by close to 1,000 people over the last 4 years, and getting through COVID was really, really difficult. And people, I think, felt a little bit disconnected from each other, but also from the product. So I think this was really important to kind of bring the team together, celebrate what people do, and they get to show off where they work and what they do every day to their families. So it's fantastic. What we do right here in North Vancouver, a lot of people drive by and they kind of know that something is happening there, but they don't really get to see what we're doing for the Canadian Navy and for the Canadian Coast Guard every day. It really is great business, makes you feel proud of what you do, and I think the employees are very, very proud of what they do when they can show it off to their families. It's not just the employees. It's all about the employees, their family. They're part of the Seaspan family. And I hope they feel that when they've gone through the shipyard. It really makes me proud of the folks that we have here and the pride they take in their work.